stream on your right that you've been following alongside is called Blackcomb Creek. It carries water from Blackcomb Mountain, including the Blackcomb and Horstman glaciers. These glaciers are small remnants of the continental glacier that you just learned about at the last stop. All living things need water, so creeks like this are what helps keep this area so lush and green. In the summer, the water in the creek comes from melting snow and glacier ice. You can actually tell a lot about the state of the Blackcomb and Horstman glaciers because of the fact that the water runs clear. Glaciers typically grow in the winter and melt in the summer. In order for a glacier to grow, an area needs to accumulate enough snow until it first compacts to ice under its own weight, and then becomes large enough to flow under the force of gravity, like a slow-moving river of ice. As it grows, the weight of the glacier grinds up the underlying rock into a superfine material called rock flour. In the summer, when it heats up and the glacier melts, the water carries the light rock flour with it, so it ends up looking cloudy. So the fact that the water is clear in the summer indicates that the glaciers did not grow over winter, since they didn't grind up that rock flour, which tells us that they are retreating. If you want to compare this creek to one being fed by growing glaciers, be sure to stop on the blue bridge outside the Passive House where the tour started, and look upstream at the difference in watercolor where Blackcomb Creek meets the Fitzsimmons.
Thank you so much for joining us on the Nature Walk today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. If you'd like to explore more, stop by to see us at the Whistler Museum, which is located in the heart of Whistler Village, behind the library. Another great way to keep exploring is to check out the free iNaturalist website and app. Basically, you take a photo of anything in nature, and iNaturalist helps to identify it. It also keeps a record of your sightings and produces your own personal checklist. When you record your observations on iNaturalist, you actually become a citizen scientist. iNaturalist is an especially important resource for local and provincial scientists who are researching biodiversity. So not only will you hopefully have fun, but you'll be contributing very useful data to the scientific community. Have fun exploring Whistler's trails and natural spaces. Hope to see you again soon.